Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can locate where your file folder is on Google Docs or Google Sheets and like your Google Drive. So you're just going to go to your Google Docs document. Then you're going to select the move button, and the current location is in my drive. So here you're just going to open it in new tab, and that's where you're going to find where your Google file is. Let me just see if I can move it first to a different folder. Let me actually create one. I'm making one right now to the left side of my screen. So if you just gave me a moment to create a new folder. I'm just going to move it real quick here. Oh, let me just, there, open new folder, create. And I'm just going to press move. And then here, if I went to the move section here and pressed open a new tab, it will open the location of where my file is. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!